Oh, wow. I feel like I've been chosen. I don't think I chose this Nimbus 2000. I think it literally chose me. Let's do the unboxing.
Welcome to Mike's Second Toys. Welcome to Mike's Second Toys. Welcome to Mike's Second Toys.
Welcome back to the channel, people. Oh my gosh. I feel such a hypocrite. I have seen people unbox these limited edition Nimbus 2000 replicas. And I would chuckle to myself and say, you know what? That is beautiful, but come on. It's not that great, is it? Yes. Only 10,000 made of this new version. There were 10,000 of a previous version. But dare I say it? New, improved, and only 10,000. Now I'm hoping to get something less than 2,000 because they are each numbered. So I hope my number is below 2,000. It's just a personal thing. Just before I open it, not a toy, of course it's not. It's a valuable collection piece. This product is not flying. I love it. Definitely a muggle that wrote that. And I'm loving that it's all very official. Okay, let's do this. Polystyrene, get that. Oh, so, this looks amazing. But the first thing I'm presented with is a set of instructions on some very nice quality paper. And I think it's duplicated, but in a different language on the other side. Lovely. I'll definitely frame that. Loving the care and attention they have put into the packaging. So right here, now if they've knotted it in a way where you just have to pull and it opens. Loving this Quidditch paper. Definitely taking care in unwrapping all of this because it is a collector's piece. I never ever will sell this unless it's literally a choice between eating or not eating. Okay, so you want to keep everything just so and perfect. And would you, oh, very nice. I've seen the number I've got. Look at that certificate of authenticity. And if you look at the bottom, I have number 1655 out of 10,000. I'm quite happy with that. Very nice plaque. It's metal, and on the back, very nice velvety finish. Gorgeous. Okay, before I pull it out, let me just show you how it comes packaged. Excellent packaging, so no matter what happens to the outer box, you know the Nimbus 2000 is protected. Right, so let me just get this first layer out of the way. Okay. Oh. Loving, yet again, absolutely loving the packaging here. There's your kickstand. This is amazing. I almost don't want to unwrap it. Here, look. Talks about Quidditch on there. Amazing. I haven't even unwrapped it yet. Do you know, anything else in this world that you buy new and it comes bent like that, you probably want to send it back. But we all know what this is. Oh, I can feel the amazingness already. Oh. I was totally distracted by the beauty of the broom handle. Look. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Look at the finish on that. Now, if I was to tell you, you may know this anyway. They're all handmade. Every single one is handmade. Here, take a look. Gorgeous. And this is real mahogany. You can see all the natural marks and grains of that wood. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely loving how they've put Nimbus 2000 right there. Okay. Now this I am really excited for. I'm already super excited by that alone. But the fact that this has been made out of real weeping willow wood bristle and everything is handmade. Unbelievable. Can you appreciate how long it would have taken them to do 10,000 of these? Right, here we go. Again, taking care not to tear this gorgeous wrapping paper, and people, look at this. Just lay that down there. Would you look at this? Real weeping willow. Individually, listen to what I'm saying now. Individually put into place and then bound together. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. I'll say it again, I've seen a few other unboxings, and as much as I loved it and I appreciated that, actually having it in my hands, I now know why so many people are over the moon and excited to receive such a beauty. And then here, look, the kickstand footrest. It's all metal. And then right here, it's numbered. Out of the 10,000 in London, UK, I have secured myself number 1,655. And again, nice touch of authenticity. That same number is replicated on that plaque. Now I could just get my wand and cast a spell and it will just assemble itself, but I think I'll just show you instead. Now I believe you just put it in like that. Oh wow, a weird sensation just happened. I can't explain it, but people, this is my Nimbus 2000.